Any AI is better than Grok.
We're very excited to present Grok 3.
Elon Musk claims the latest version of his AI chatbot, Grok 3.
Elon Musk is set to unveil his latest AI creation, Grok 3.
Chatbot race is heating up. Today, Elon Musk unveiled a new model. It is called Grok 3.
XAI releases its latest AI model.
We have been talking a lot about AI lately, how it's changing jobs and why it's risky for India where labor is cheap. Jobs like coding and call center work are already disappearing to AI. If we don't learn new skills, unemployment could shoot up soon. But in the last 2 days, something new has happened with AI that's got everyone's attention. 2 months ago, nobody thought this was possible. In February, Elon Musk showed off Grok 3, an AI 10 times stronger than Grok 2. It can understand and speak human languages, trained on a massive supercomputer with 2 lakh GPUs, the biggest ever. Now, he's put Grok into X and it's even talking in Hindi and other Indian languages. People are asking Grok all kinds of questions, stuff we usually only whisper about. Modi's degree, government spying, RSS in the freedom struggle, Rahul Gandhi's record, Tipu Sultan's real story. Now, these are things the media should have asked the government, but now people are asking Grok instead. So, could Grok become our new media? Will we trust it more than TV news? Can it break government propaganda? Or will it flop because it only knows what we have already written? Let's figure out what Grok can do and if it's accurate. If you watched till here, please do like, share and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital, and let's move on. First, Grok isn't some magic truth machine. It's a tool that can push back against hidden stories and lies. It works fast, grabbing info from everywhere in seconds, and it doesn't get tired like us. That's why people are hitting it with tough questions, and it's answering without fear. Like on Modi's degree, Grok says it's a tricky topic. Delhi University's records are unclear, and an RTI didn't even prove he passed his BA in 1978. It adds that you don't need a degree to be a PM, but lying about it under an oath is a crime. You could go to jail. It even pointed out questions about Smriti Irani's degree. Grok was clear when asked which party divides people to hide its failures. It pointed out to BJP, mentioning the Babri Masjid demolition and Hindutva. It also said big industrialists got off easy after demonetization while poor people suffered, and hinted at Modi-Ambani connection. It says these things aren't talked about openly because BJP is in power. What do you think? Should we discuss this for a strong democracy or just ignore it? If you feel like we should discuss this for the strong democracy, please do hit that like button. Grok's smart. When someone asked what makes Modi a dictator, it said he's not a dictator like in the old books. He's elected, but he's got some dictator-like habits, shutting down opposition, controlling media, grabbing power, pushing unfair rules. We have said this before, India's democracy, but we need to stop these dictator vibes. World reports call us a weak democracy or election-only rule. Grok warns that if we don't stop hate politics like the 74% jump in the anti-Muslim hate speech in 2024, we could split the country. Groups like PFI also make it worse. Grok also says we need tolerance to stay united. People are using Grok to check facts also. Did Modi use a digital camera and email photos in the 1988? Grok says no way. Digital cameras came in the 90s and email back then couldn't send pictures. It also found Modi told 43 lies in the 5 years based on its research. On history, it's sharp. Did RSS fight for the freedom? Grok says almost nothing. Its founder Hegdeva did some protests, but RSS as a group focused on Hindu pride, not kicking out the British. Meanwhile, Indian Muslims like Ashfaqullah Khan died for the freedom and Tipu Sultan fought the British directly. Unlike RSS, which started later and stayed cultural. Can Grok replace our media? It says yes. It calls out Godi Media, news that backs the ruling party since 2014. It named channels like Republic, Bharat, Zee News, Aaj Tak, ABP, India TV, Times Now and Sudarshan News, plus anchors like Sudhir Chaudhary for pushing BJP's line without questions. Grok also sees a Modi-Adani-Ambani link, with BJP spending $140 million on ads to control the story. It says the critics have been quiet since 2014. Hope you agree with that. Grok is very bold when it comes to history. It was asked who begged the British most. Savarkar, it says. He wrote sorry letters to get out of the jail and took a pension. And the idea that Gandhi was jealous of Bhagat Singh, Grok says no proof. Gandhi tried hard to save him. It's in the records. Now, BJP's IT cell tried to boss Grok around, called Rahul Pappu, prove Kejriwal's Khalistani. Grok said no dice. No evidence on Kejriwal's funding or release claims. Who's more honest, Rahul or Modi? Neither's perfect. Rahul said sorry in court for misquotes, not lies, while Modi's PM Cares Fund isn't open enough. On Cast, it debunked all the issues isn't open enough. Just 2 days, Grok's smashed Godi media lies, shown cracks in the best PM image and cleared up fake stories about Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Kejriwal, Nehru and Priyanka Gandhi. Since it's on X, it could stop fake news and spread facts fast. But will it be called an anti-national or banned? Will we get a fake Indian Grok? If it keeps going, it could show people the truth they have missed after years of spin. That's big for India. It's up to us, not courts, media or Grok, to keep asking questions. Democracy lives when we do, when we ask questions. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and please do let us know in the comments what questions did you ask to the Grok.